Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Inception. In which Indian state is the Bhogali Bihu festival celebrated? Right answer is Assam. In which Indian state is the Chhat Puja celebrated? And it's Bihar. In which of the following states of India is the Mahotsav festival celebrated? It's Nagaland. Thai Pusam, a religious festival celebrated in which Indian state? It's Tamil Nadu. In which Indian state is the Kochi festival celebrated? Right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following states has the famous Nabakalebera festival? And the right answer is Odisha. The Hemis festival is celebrated in the state or union territory of Ladakh. In which Indian state is the Navratri festival celebrated? And the right answer is Gujarat. The famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? And it's West Bengal. In which Indian state is the Ugadi festival celebrated? And the right answer is Karnataka. Which among the following is an agricultural festival of Arunachal Pradesh and celebrated by the Galo tribe? It's Mopin. In which Indian state is the Onam festival celebrated? The right answer is Kerala. Which among the following states celebrated the Poush Parbon festival? And the right answer is West Bengal. In which Indian state is the Pongal festival celebrated? It's Tamil Nadu. In which Indian state is the Hornbill festival celebrated? And here is the right answer. It's Nagaland. In which Indian state is the Ganesh Utsav celebrated? And the answer is Maharashtra. Which among the following states celebrated the Ram Navami? Uttar Pradesh. Which among the following states celebrated the Lori festival? Punjab. Which among the following states celebrated the Rath Yatra festival? Odisha. Which UNESCO heritage festival is celebrated in West Bengal? And it's Durga Puja. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.